Anyone who is essentially in the need of conservatorship are people who have a handicap, a disability, they're a harm to themselves or to others, 5150. There's a bunch of different scenarios where a conservatorship would be appropriate or should be explored. But at the very least, where the person cannot take care of themselves or need additional guidance so that they don't harm others, that's where a conservatorship should be sought. And the family steps in and takes that role as overseeing what they need, going to the bank and making sure that their estate can cover their expenses, or making sure that the right doctors are going to them. But the court will look largely at what I think is more dominant than most of the considerations for the court, a physician's declaration. And I typically bring this with the initial petition to ensure that the court has what they need and are looking at relevant files. But with this physician's declaration, they will determine if the conservatee needs to appear, if the rights being sought are overly restrictive, or if they need to pull those back. And that's where they will work with the court-appointed attorney and the investigator to come up with a consensus and the best possible outcome for the conservator and the conservatee.